Where if I'm here, I let go on this one, please can turn away or actually turn also toward. Yan. Yan.
Pag bumagsak kasi ako, pag inalis ko na yung kamay ko, parang kaya relax ko tapon yung legs ko.
Yeah, that's why pagdating ko dito sa power step, left shoulder yung nine. So ganito yung itsura niya. From here. So you're very unstable pa. Here. That's it. Di pwede mo na yung left hand ko dito. Kasi nakadagan yung left shoulder ko.
Okay.
So that's it. My right hand goes to this bit. Close here. Tapos kahit kumarap sa akin dito si Chase, I can just cover with my right hand.
So inside ng ano?
So kung nandito ako, kung ano yung malapit sa akin, ano yung free, mas malayong hand, yun yung malapit dito sa akin. Pag ito yung inuna ko, that means kumakat ako. So nagtanggal ako ng weight sa akin. So, if I let go of my left hand, even if I placed it here, or even if I take it under his right hand, nagtanggal ako ng weight para akot ko. Kasi nandito na ako. So last to remove is the left hand. From here, going to inside. Huwag outside kasi malawag. Inside. Because just because we're going north-south.